and then planting up the area around the post to hide the base. Into this container goes grit and then multi-purpose compost. This is a lovely tender climber which can stay out only for the summer, but it'll be pretty here, called rhodochyton, and it has these wonderful umbrellas here of maroon. And then planting these lilies, which will give a lovely scent to the area. Around the benches, I'm planting some sweet-smelling French lavender and bookending them with a single olive tree. And then laying down pea shingle to match the existing path.